Hey guys, I've started noticing a strange whining noise coming from the engine bay when the AC was on. This noise appeared occasionally with short time intervals, I would say minutes. It wasn't the blower motor for sure. Switching off the AC would help getting rid of the sound, but not always. Switching off the climate control unit would stop the sound in 100% cases. I had a feeling that the problem is with the AC compressor. Then I realized that the problem could be in the quality of the Freon. A few years back, I filled up the system in a random indie AC filling station. I've decided to pay a visit to the BMW dealer and replace the Freon. The first attempt failed since the dealer's AC station refused to bleed my Freon system, saying that the quality of the Freon was only 6%. At least 50% quality was required. So I went back to the indie shop and discharged the bad Freon. The second attempt at the dealership was successful. Freon was replaced and the whining noise disappeared. I guess from now on I will do the Freon replacements at the dealership only. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.